Nga look at me and gaunda. Nga look at the na. Sadapien go now na the bogo pop yalo yare, but then it kushibare. Aragaro, I should have plus verb 3. Now the munine past participle le kovare. Ubama, I should have listened to your advice. I should have listened to your advice. Nga ni achambirago na town like thena. Na town kayama na town me gaunda bo dilo the bomb you pare. Da so ino ubama sa down lady go sally labi speaking legend no? Number 1, I should have come earlier. I should have come earlier. Nga sozo la ke dena. I should have come earlier. Number 2, I should have eaten breakfast. I should have eaten breakfast. Nga manasa sa ke dena. I should have eaten breakfast. Number 3, I should have gone there. I should have gone there. Nga adigo twa ke dena. I should have gone there. Number 4, I should have worked harder. I should have worked harder. Nga di alogo po bi joza ke dena. I should have worked harder. Number 4, I should have studied English harder. I should have studied English harder. Nga English sago po bi joza za lila ke dena. I should have studied English harder. Number 6, I should have quit this job. I should have quit this job. Nga di logo twilight dena. I should have quit this job. Now to the muaro negative form and yin sa jang li de pyaung ji ba me. Pattern li aro I should have plus verb 3 pattern ma not ko paung the piya ma phit pare. I should not have plus verb 3 di pongsan li phit twa ba me. So di neya ma should not go shouldn'tအနေနဲ့လည်းသုံးလို့ရပါတယ်. Shouldn't အတူကောက်ပုံစံလို့ပြောလို့ရပါတယ်. ဥပမာ I shouldn't have taken this class. I shouldn't have taken this class. ငါဒီအတန်းကိုမတက်ခဲ့သင့်ဘူး. I shouldn't have taken this class. I shouldn't have accepted this job. I shouldn't have accepted this job. ငါဒီအလုပ်ကိုလက်မခံလိုက်သင့်ဘူး. I shouldn't have accepted this job. I shouldn't have bought that expensive TV. I shouldn't have bought that expensive TV. Nga alo zeji ye TV yo mo we lai thint bu. I shouldn't have said that to Coco. I shouldn't have said that to Coco. Nga Coco ko di kaisa ma pyo lai thint bu. I shouldn't have said that to Coco. I shouldn't have ordered the ice cream. I shouldn't have ordered the ice cream. Nga yege mo ko mama lai thint bu. I shouldn't have ordered the ice cream. Okay, ဒီလောက်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်เนาะဒီဗီဒီယိုထဲမှာတခုခုလုပ်ခဲ့မိတဲ့ဟာကိုနောင်နာရတယ်ဆိုတဲ့အကြောင်းကိုဖော်ပြလို့ရတဲ့ pattern လေးတစ်ခုကိုပြောပြပေးသွားတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ဆိုတော့အဲ့ဒီ pattern လေးက I should have plus verb 3အငင်းအနေနဲ့ဆိုရင်တော့ I shouldn't have plus verb 3ဒီပုံစံလေးဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ဆိုတော့ဒီ pattern လေးကိုအားလုံးပဲသေချာအသုံးပြုတတ်လိမ့်မယ်လို့မျှော်လင့်ပါတယ်။အခုကြည့်နေတဲ့သူတွေအားလုံးကိုညီမရဲ့နောက်ထပ်ဗီဒီယိုတွေမှာလည်းပြန်ပြီးတော့တွေ့ချင်တာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ညီမရဲ့ channel လေးကို subscribe မလုပ်ရသေးဘူးဆိုလို့ရှိရင် subscribe လုပ်ခဲ့ပေးဖို့အတွက်အားလုံးကိုမေတ္တာရက်ခံပါတယ်။နောက်ထပ်ဗီဒီယိုတွေမှာအားလုံးကိုပြန်တွေ့ပါမယ်နော်။ Bye bye